guides the economy guides the economy that which product have to produce and which have not to produce. First, आगे अब now next heading is conditions for origin of economics. Why economics subject has been originated? There are certain reasons and certain conditions. These conditions are the responsible for the origin of economic subject. So, first condition is what? Scarcity of resources. It's mean in any economy there are scarce source. I mean in any economy it is scarcity of resources, and how we will use, how will produce goods by this scarce source. Let's deal with the economics. Understand? Scarcity. How can produce the goods with the help of scarce resources? This is deal in economic subject. Understand? Next is what? Unlimited needs of public, government and businesses. These are the unlimited needs of public, government and business. In any economics, limited of resources and unlimited needs of public, governments and businesses. So how the public, government, business will fulfill our unlimited needs? This fulfillment of unlimited needs by the public, government and business is deal in the economics. Understand? Okay, next is what? Next condition is that alternative use of resource. Alternative use of resource. Alternative use. Why alternative use? Why alternative use? Because resources are limited, but needs are unlimited. So needs are unlimited and resources are limited. So resources are limited. Just take example. This is what? 5 kg iron. This is 5 kg iron, and you have to need of a fan, a board for teaching, and a bicycle cycle. 5 किलो आयरन है, 5 किलो से ये बना लो, ये बना लो, या तो फिर ये बना लो, तीनों में से कोई एक बनेगा. सो नाउ हियर, यहां पे क्या होगा? which products are very important. Understand? So here, what is which product is very important? This board is more important than two products. यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा important क्या है? Board. And this board will enhance the education. Understand? So यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा? Board. What? Board. So here we have alternative choice. Understand? There are choice that we have to produce fan or bicycle or teaching board. Here option available, alternative methods. So here we have adopted a board for production. Understand? This method is what? Alternative method. And alternative method is a fundamental concept of economics. Understand? So next, conditions. Need of choice. In any economy, the choice is very basic concept. Why choice? Because resources are limited. Resources are limited, and from these limited resource we cannot produce anything more things. Understand? We can produce only limited things. I don't understand. We can produce only limited things. So production of limited things. And why will why we will produce limited things? Because resources are limited. And which product will be produced? The product that will be more important. Understand? So the method that we will use, that which product is more important and which product is more important, is not more important. Understand? So this method is choice, that this is a more important, this is not more important, so we have to produce this product. So this method of selection is known as what? Choice. And choice is a fundamental concept of economics. So these are the certain reasons. What? Certain reasons, you can say certain conditions that are the responsible for the development of economics. Understand? Origination of economics. I don't understand everyone. The first video. One more condition. One more condition that is a responsible for the origin of economics subject. Understand? The condition is what? It is problems of production and distribution. Production and distribution of economy. What is the problem of production? Economy, it have to decide that which type of products have to produce and which type of products have not to produce. Understand? And with the help of capitals or labors. So these are the basic problem of every economy. So for the solving of this problem, the economic subject has been originated. So what are the problem? Problem of production. Production of goods and services. Problem is that there are three major problems. How many? Three key problems. Three key problems of every economy, that what to produce, how to produce, what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. What to produce? What to produce means there are two types of goods: capital goods and consumer goods. That's economy have to decide that production of capital goods or production of consumer goods. And how to produce? With the help of labor or with the help of capitals. Machinery is capital, machinery is, understand? For whom to produce? For whom to produce? किसके लिए उत्पादन करना है, ठीक है? For rich, for poor, I mean for market, for society, social purpose, society. So these are the three key problems of every economy, and problems are what to produce, have to produce capital goods or have to produce consumer goods, and how to produce, with the help of labor or with the help of capital, and for whom to produce, for rich, I mean for market, and for society, social welfare purpose, understand? So these are the conditions, and these conditions has originated the economics, understand? Possibly. Okay, our third heading is what? Significance of economics. What is the importance of economics? Understand? So first importance that economics economic helps to optimize the resource allocation